hanamizuponko. I'm gonna teach you katakana by using everyday words. Japanese has 3 alphabets and katakana is one of them. Katakana is a syllable that is often used for transcriptions of foreign languages, expressing your feelings, or onomatopoeias. Also, katakana has the same characters as hiragana, but it's just written and used differently. Okay, today's katakana is タチツテトタコ octopus チクチク prickly ツルツル smooth テーブル table トイレ toilet. Katakana and kanji sometimes have similar shapes. For example, katakana's ta and kanji's yu. Their shapes are almost the same, but their original character is different. We usually identify them with the characters in front of them or behind. It seems difficult, but once you get it, it's easy. Okay, see you next time!